Hello, fellow traders. Tomorrow is Wednesday, December 18th, and it's a big day. That's because it's an FOMC interest rate day. And we're looking at the economic calendar, as you should every day, and right over here at 2 p.m., FOMC interest rate decision. So what is the Fed going to announce? What is the big news? What is the surprise? Please let us know before we fall off the edge of our seat. Well, it's not a big surprise because according to the CME FedWatch tool, there's a 97% chance that the Fed is going to lower interest rates by 1/4 of a point. The current target rate is 4.5 to 475, or 450 to 475 basis points, and 97% chance they're going to lower it to 425 to 450. No big surprise. So what else is happening this week? Well, the Dow has gone down for 9 straight days in a row. Not a big deal, right? Hasn't happened since when? 1978. The last time the Dow went down 9 consecutive days was 1978. That's 46 years ago. So according to the CNBC Stock Market News, why the Dow is in such a historic funk and how concerned should you be? And the article goes on to say you shouldn't be too concerned. I don't know. Something that happens once every 46 years, I'd be a little bit concerned. Now, going forward to the S&P, not the Dow, the S&P is basically holding steady. It's been in a sort of sideways pattern for the last week or so, ever since the election, which was right over here. So where the Dow is about where it was, or just a little over where it was at the election, the S&P is still holding its own, but we have to see what's going to happen. And the other thing that you should be aware of is that the S&P E-minis were rolled over to the H contract. Right over here, the S&P E-minis, the roll date was December 16th. The expiration date was December 20th. That means that we have to change our charts. And I also changed my Taylor calculator. So my calculator, I always mark H. ESH is what we're going to trade. So when you set your chart, we were trading ESZ 2024. Beginning this week, we're trading ESH 2025. So remember to roll over your charts. So other than that, there's really nothing new that you should be concerned of. Trade safely, use lots of patience. Thanks for watching. I'm Marv Eisen of Timeless Dollar Trading Academy. And remember, the more you learn, the more you learn.